Hello and welcome everyone to another video here in this channel. My name is Daniel and I just closed my hedge long positions right now in profits. So right now I'm only in my huge short position and I will give you all my price targets and expectations here as always for the Ethereum, Bitcoin and also the QNT price. And as special altcoin for today, I have chosen again BNB. Of course, I will give you also a complete update about the Binance coin, so stick with me until the very end and enjoy this video. And we start here straight into the Ethereum 1 hour time frame, and I want to go through the whole scenario for the new viewers here on this channel. In my view, we have seen an leading expanding diagonal in a wave A down here, came up in an overshooting wave B. So right now I'm expecting a wave C down, which comes impulsively here in this trend reversal area, which is around about the $1,500 US. So that's why I'm in my huge short positions. And when we come down there, I will close that in profits, open up long positions. From there, I'm expecting a bounce towards the upside here in this bigger trend reversal area in form of a wave 5. So that is actually my primary expectation here for the Ethereum price. But I want to show you also, or I want to provide you with a bullish scenario, which is possibly happening, and how I'm gonna take care that I'm gonna not be involved here in this with my short position, because in my expectation this has been an overshooting wave B. So that is the reason why this move should be impulsive, because it's a wave C of B and those are always impulsive, so no problem with that. And from there we should go down in a 5-wave structure here in this target area. So because of that, I have opened a double down on my short position upside there at 17.17. Then I have opened hedge long positions down there in this target area, closed them in profits right there, scaled it up once more right here. Then I have opened hedge long positions right there, which I closed here also in profit. So right now I'm only in my huge short trade. And as you can see, my wave count has worked out since we come so far. And right now I have set safety orders for hedge long positions over this resistance area, because if we come above this resistance area, it's possible to count this as a 1-2 setup. So there should be a wave 3, 4 and 5 and brings us to the top of this 5-wave movement. So in this scenario where we move higher from here, this wave 4 would have already bottomed out, and we are now in this wave 5 here towards the upside. But when I look at the structure right here, I cannot see that yet. I don't think it's happening. I think it's, of course, the more unlikely scenario. So at which point you can get some kind of confirmation. I closed my hedge long positions in the moment where we came below this upward sloping support area or support line. The next confirmation point would be when we break below this support line. And afterwards I would not necessarily enter a short anymore personally, as however, this is no financial advice as always, and this is my personal opinion. And the same goes vice versa. If we break above this resistance area and retest it from above as support, this could be a possible long entry. So that's why I have set my hedge long orders up there. And if we get then the bounce from this resistance, which turns into support, this is probably, or this could be the confirmation that the wave 3 is starting. What would be the price target for this ongoing wave 3 of 5? When I measure it here with the trend-based FIB extension, would be the 1.618, which is at $1,900 US. So this could be the next move towards the upside if we break through this resistance. Until we don't break it, I cannot see it personally, so that's why I'm in my short. But of course, you better be safe than sorry. So that's why I, of course, set hedge long orders above this resistance. If we get above, I don't want to stick necessarily here to this straight imminent downside momentum. Then I'm going here with this larger wave 5 before we see the next larger correction down there in the wave 2. So it doesn't matter if we are getting this wave 5 right now, or if we are, before once more coming lower in this wave 4 target area. In my opinion, there will for sure, or you can never be sure in financial markets, but there will be, in my opinion, another entry opportunity here in this price region, between the 1,350 and the 1,550. Rather, it's now in this wave C of 4 low, or it's later here when we come up in this 5 and then ABC down in this wave 2 target area. So in my opinion, there is no need to rush if you're searching for a long-term entry. And let's have a look at the Bitcoin price as well. And as you can see, since days and weeks, my view has not changed. In my opinion, we are forming a wave 3 top right there. We should go down in a wave 4 in this target area, which I'm highlighting on the chart since weeks already here for you. And from there, I expect another bounce towards the upside in a 5th wave. So what could be the first indication that we are coming down here straight in this wave 4? In my opinion, if we break this support line to the downside, because until we don't break it, it could still be that we are in a leading expanding diagonal wave 5 of 3. So it would mean that we saw already 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is another high in a wave 5 of 3. But we should stay below this upwards moving trend line, and also get this larger wave 4 downwards afterwards. So it's no problem if we see another high. I would still stick to this scenario until we don't see another high. I believe that the wave 3 top could be in, and this is probably the beginning of the wave A. Then we see a B up and a C down, or actually we have seen a very small A and overshooting B and coming down now in a wave C. So that is currently, and since the last 2-3 weeks, my view about the Bitcoin price. And let's now straight come over here to the Q&T price, because also there my view hasn't changed since the first video here about Q&T on this channel. If you are watching this here from the beginning, you will probably know that, in my opinion, a significant low has been made here at around about $40. From there, we have seen a wave 1 towards the upside here, as you can see in yellow. And from there, we should move down in a 3-wave move in this bigger reversal area. So since my first video, which I made here at the beginning of January, I told you that since this is probably only a wave A as a 5-wave move, we should see a 3-wave move upside here in this upper trend reversal area, which I placed here on my first analysis video here about Q&T, and then go down from there in a 5-wave move. Wave C of 2 in this downwards trend reversal area, which I also placed here in the first video, which is between $80 and $95. So from there we can really bottom out, and from there I expect the next larger move towards the upside here to the $380 level, which is the minimum price target of this 5-wave move. And since now it played out very, very nicely. And I'm still observing here this scenario of this upcoming wave C to the downside now. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into the charts. Now we are coming to the special altcoin of the day, which is today BNB, the Binance coin. And as you have probably already heard here on this channel, I expect this to be a wave 1 towards the upside, which can top now at any time. Probably the top has already been in place. And now I expect a wave 2 towards the downside, which could come as a 3-wave move, ABC or WXY, in this trend reversal area between $265 and $280. This could be, in my opinion, a very, very good entry point here for the next move towards the upside, for the next move 3, for the wave 3, which has a minimum target at the $480 level. So as you can see, it would be around about 100% towards the upside, and this is only the wave 3 of 3. I expect here the larger wave 3 to bring us around about to the $600 level. So if we are now getting this downwards move to the 280, this could be a very nice entry point for this impulse towards the upside. And if you like this video, if you enjoyed this content, please leave your thumbs up down below, leave your subscription for this channel, and activate the small little bell to always get notified when I upload a new video here in this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much that you stick here with me until the very end, and I hope we see each other in the next video here in this channel. Ciao, ciao.